need to find specific messages or chats in your Messenger app for Android? I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through how to search for any conversation in your Messenger app on Android. Let's dive right in. First, open your Messenger app. Get into the chat where you want to search a conversation. You'll see their profile at the top of the screen. Tap on it. Now scroll down and select Search in Conversation. Enter the keyword and hit search. Now Messenger will highlight matching messages. Just tap on the result and you will find the exact location of that message in that chat box. If you can't find the message, make sure that the conversation hasn't been deleted. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly search conversations in your Messenger app on Android. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hope to see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.